As a mother and a professional, I know firsthand how challenging it can be to balance career growth with parenthood. I've been there. But I'm here to tell you it's possible to thrive in both areas, and it doesn't require doing everything on your own. When I was pregnant, I refused to hide it. I didn't want to be the woman who acted like nothing was happening. I told my team and clients exactly what to expect, when I'd be gone, when I'd return, and what they should do in my absence. Being open and honest made all the difference. There was no confusion and no added stress. I also ran my household like a business. At work, I planned my time down to the smallest detail, so why not at home? I meal planned for the entire week, and when I could, I got help. I had nannies who lived with us for over 10 years, but if that's not an option, there are services out there, such as meal prep, cleaning, and many more. So don't be afraid to ask for help. Controlling my time was one of the most powerful tools that I had. And at work, I made sure to focus when I was in meetings. I didn't let people distract me with chit-chat or time wasters. And when I was at home, I made time for myself, even if it was just a quick trip to the gym during lunch. No one else was going to do it for me. Modern women often feel like they have to juggle everything. But I've learned over the years that you don't have to do it all by yourself. You'll burn out if you try. Delegating tasks and asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It's about maintaining your sanity and thriving in both your career and personal life. So if you're struggling to find the right balance, let's talk. Money isn't the only key to success. You need a plan for real life, and I can help.